In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a verification system in Discord server. To get started, go ahead and open your browser and search for securitybot.gg. So this bot is actually a bot that you can add with your Discord server. Click on that add security button and this will redirect you into your Discord account. So you'll need to sign in into your Discord account. Now in here, you'll need to select the specific server where you want to add this. After that, go ahead and click on that continue button. And here, go ahead and click on that authorize button to authorize the connection that you want to create with the security bot with your Discord account. Now go ahead and head over into your Discord account. And here, go ahead and head over to that specific Discord server where you've added this security bot to. So go ahead and click on that server. And as you can see in here, you'll be able to get redirected into your server. Go ahead and head over to that specific channel where you want to incorporate this security bot to. So for example, I want to enable it into this channel. After that, go ahead and enter /verification enable in this section and hit on that send button. Now this will allow you to enable securitybot.gg for this channel on your server. So click on that verification enable and hit on the enter. After this, go ahead and enter /verification setup _ channel to set this channel as your verification channel. You'll need to do this since you'll need to assign this as the channel where you set up verification to. Now after this, go ahead and enter /verification type to set your verification type for this specific channel on your server. Go ahead and select from this three option. Now after that, go ahead and hit on that enter. After that, you can simply click on your server name at the top left of your screen and select server settings. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the rules section. And as you can see in here, you'll be able to find this all blocker, security, and unverified roles. So to be able to create a role where you can actually add verified roles, go ahead and click on that create role button, which you'll find beside the search field. In here, go ahead and create a role name. I want to set this as members. You can go ahead and select the role color along with the image for this specific role. You can also set permissions by clicking on the permissions section to be able to set the permissions enabled for the specific role. After that, go ahead and hit on that save changes button to save this as a role on your server. Now head over to your rules channel where you've enabled the security bot. Go ahead and hit on that escape or X button at the top right. In here, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and enter /verification set _ verified. Now after you enter this, you'll be able to select the roles that you can set verified into this channel. So go ahead and enter that into this area to be able to set roles as verified. And here, go ahead and enter members to be able to set members as a verified role for this channel and server. Now, after you set this into a verified role, all of the members under members will be set into verified once they head into the server. And that is how you can simply set up a verification system in Discord server. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.